So welcome back to Khan Cloud Academy, and we are about to going to start, Git courses. And this course is I will go with very deep. Very deep means this is only for the professionals or beginners also can learn, and who is working already on the industry. They have to focus on. So we will start basically from the very basic course. Then we will move to next, step by step. So as you know, this is a free learning forum. Uh, so I just created this YouTube channel for people who is in working. You don't need to pay anywhere. Okay, just keep following my videos, and if you want, you can create by yourself also. So this is what we are starting about and about the Gits. Okay, you can visit us on. This is my Khan Cloud Academy YouTube channel address, right? So moving to the next, let's start with Git. Okay. So what you understand from the Git? So as is written here, by far the most widely used modern version control system in the world today is Git. So Git is a mature, actively maintained open source project, originally developed in 2005 by Linus Torvalds, the famous creator of the Linux operating system kernel. Okay. And so what we have to start, so this is the unit one, and let's create your first repository, then add and commit files. This is for all operating system, majorly we are focusing on. So I'm just giving you a little bit, how you're going to check and all. Okay. So let's go to directly on our Ubuntu machine. Okay. So, so the first command I showed you on the slide is git. How you check the versions, which version Git is installed or not. Okay. So the best thing you have to write git hyphen hyphen version. So it's saying it's already installed in git version 2.34.1. Okay. And if you type, which hyphen git. So it'll show you. One second, guys. Okay. So in this is return slash user bin slash git. Okay. So if you don't feel this is not come, then you have to install the Git on your system. So you go to the Git directory homepage for exceptionally clear and easy installation instruction. Just follow the instruction, you can install it. Later in this video, I will add the commands on how you're going to add or install the Git on your local machine. Okay. So once Git installed, you have to navigate to the directory you want to place under version control and create an empty Git repository. Okay. So we have to now clone a repository. So how are you going to clone it? Just a second. So let's first not clone, let's initialize and create it, okay? So for that, we have to use git init command. But first, we have to create a folder, right? So I'm going to create mkdir my git, or you can say folder. I created it. ls. So this is my git folder, right? And I'm going to inside. So if you're not aware about, you just go with my Linux videos. You can start learning on the how you are navigating these folders. So let me go to the my git folder. and I have to check ls. Nothing is there. Or you can say ls hyphen al to check the hidden files. So only the hidden files always shows you. Control L you have to use, it will start, clear the screen, right? So I have to run here in this folder git init command. Okay, git init, enter. So it's saying using master the name for this initial branch, the default branch name is subject to change. To configure the initial branch name to use all git config global config the branch name. Name is commonly chosen to the master branch trunk. Okay, so this is how it shows you whatever you are missing something. Okay. So by this command, you can initiate the folder. Okay. Second way, let me check git status. So it's saying on branch master, no commit yet. Okay. Next command we have to cover git add, so this is the basic commands basically. You must familiar with those commands, okay? Git add your file or folder directory. Okay. So I'm going to add my, oh, let me go out of this. Hmm. It's saying git add my git folder did not match any file. So let's create any file. Okay. Touch my first file in git.txt and I have to edit it my and write something. Hello git world, how are you? Write it. Move hands. So cat my. So it's correct. Okay, so let's do little bit do because I want to make you guys, more technical and practical things. Okay, not about this course. You're running this command here and there. Do learn troubleshooting if you are a pro course you are doing any pro course you are doing or learning from the internet or YouTube or wherever you are. Okay, so one thing you noticed here, this is just a git init install here and sorry, git install here, but I have not created any user ID or anything where I initiated for like the username, global username, you can say. So I'm just showing you in this first unit, we have to go with only the git, the basic command analysis, right? So this is how you have to go with this. So you have to start running this git version, batch git command, git init command, git status command, and git add command. Okay. Git add dot. So add dot, whatever inside anything folder, it will go commit and git commit basically we have to hyphen m use your initial commit. So this is the message it will show you whenever you run it. Okay. Second thing is on all operating system basically git remote. Git remote basically use the git remote add commands takes two arguments: a remote name, for example, origin, a remote URL, for example, HTTPS, your git service address, and user and repo.git. Git remote add origin HTTPS, your git service address, your owner and repository address. Okay. So if you want to try it, otherwise we'll go to do this task in our next video. Okay. So let me try this if I can get in it. It's also showing the master in the initial branch. Okay. So let me try this command. I know it's not going to work. Git add. I'm not running here. Let me go to cd my git folder. Git add dot. What is showing? So this kind of troubleshooting you to first do. It's saying git add dot is not a git command. Sorry, must be space. Okay, wait. Could not open directory proc, no such file or warning unable to access like sys firmware EFI if you enter git ignore. So guys, this is what the invalid argument as well I'm passing. So what we're going to do first, we have to set up our ID, okay, global username and kind of password we have to do. So I will show you in our next uh, lecture or next video, you can say, you will get all those details. Okay, so stay tuned and keep learning. Okay, so this is what my first Git course we are going to about to start. So let me go to the next page. Okay, uh thank you very much for attention, and we will see you in our next video.